Okay. Good morning, students. So, last class we have discussed about elements and all lessons. How many lessons? Total 13 lessons. Okay, 13 lessons. So, already elements completed 20. Okay, now 21 element, scandium. It is indicated with SC, scandium. Next 22 titanium, 22 titanium. It is indicated with TI. Okay. 23 element vanadium. 23 element vanadium. It is indicated with V. Next 24th element chromium. 24th element chromium. 25th element manganese. 25th element manganese. 26th element iron. Okay, iron, Fe. 27th element cobalt, CO. Cobalt, CO. We write small o. Okay. So suppose for example CO, we write a capital O. So it is carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide. So small o, cobalt. Next 28th element nickel, Ni. 29th element Cu means copper. Okay, Cu means copper. Next 30 element zinc. It is indicated with Zn. 30 element zinc. It is indicated with Zn. Okay, so overall 30 elements. Scandium 21, titanium 22, vanadium V 23, chromium Cr 24, manganese Mn 25, iron Fe 26, cobalt CO 27, nickel Ni 28, copper Cu 29, zinc Zn 30. Okay, so up to 30 elements. Okay, so 30 is the atomic number. Okay, 30 is the atomic number of zinc. At the same time, the number of electrons of the zinc is also 30. Okay. Now we have discussed 13 group elements. Sorry. We have discussed 14 group elements. 14th group elements. Overall, already we know that periodic table. So periodic table classified into 18 groups. 18 groups. Okay. Suppose we have drawn the periodic table. We have drawn the periodic table. 1, 2. First group, second group, and third group, fourth group, fifth group, sixth group, next seventh group, eighth group, ninth group, 10th group, 11th group, 12th group. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 groups. Remaining 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So in the periodic table, total how many groups? 18 groups. And how many periods? 7 periods. Already we know that. Okay. So overall, this is the periodic table. This is the periodic table. N is equal 1 first period and n is equal 2 second period and n is equal 3 third period. Okay. Next n is equal 4. N is equal 4. Fourth period and n is equal to 5. Fifth period and n is equal 6. Sixth period and n is equal 7. Seventh period. Okay. At the same time, so bottom of the periodic table of elements it is also same, sixth period and seventh period. Okay, so it is the very longest period. Okay, these are all elements is arranged in bottom of the periodic table. Okay, arranged in bottom of the periodic table. Overall, third, fourth, fifth, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. Next 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 1 to 18, total 18 groups, 1 to 18 groups. Okay. So overall, periodic table is classified into 4 blocks. Periodic table classified into how many blocks? 4 blocks. Number 1, S block elements. S block elements. Number 2, P block elements. P block elements. Number 3, D block elements. Number 4, F block elements. Okay, overall periodic table classified into how many blocks? 4 blocks. S block elements, P block elements, D block elements and F block elements. Okay, so overall this is the first group and it is the second group. First group and second group. These two groups belongs to S block. These two groups belongs to S block. Okay, so overall S block contain how many groups? 2 groups. Okay, at the same time, so electron enters in s orbital. Electron enters in s orbital. Okay, so these s black elements is left side of the periodic table. Okay, so overall left side of the periodic table of elements is called s black elements, or electron is enter in s black of elements is also called s black elements. Okay, so overall these s black contain how many groups? 2 groups. Okay, how many groups? 2 groups. At the same time 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So from 13 group to 18 group. Okay, 13 group to 18 group. So these 6 groups belongs to P black. Okay, so 6 groups belongs to P black. So overall 14th group elements belongs to which black? P black. Okay, so our lesson 14th group elements. 14th group elements. These 14th group elements belongs to P black. So overall S black contain 2 groups. P black contain 6 groups. Remaining 10 groups. Okay, total 18. 2 plus 6, 8. Remaining 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These 10 groups belongs to D black. Okay, left side of the periodic table of elements is called S black. So right side of the periodic table of elements is called P black. We have arranged the P black elements which side? Right side. We have arranged the S black elements which side? Left side. Okay, but D black elements is arranged by between S and P black. Okay, D black elements is arranged between S and P black. Next, last bottom of the periodic table of elements is called F black elements. Okay, bottom of the periodic table of elements is called F black elements. Okay, so overall electron enters in p orbital of elements is called P black elements. Electron enters in d orbital, that elements is called D black elements. Electron enters in F black, that elements is also called F black elements. Okay, now so which lesson? 14th group elements. Overall 14th group elements belongs to P black. Okay, 14th group elements belongs to P black. Okay, so what are the 14th group elements? Okay, and explanation. Okay, give now. Listen, 14th group elements, already we know that. So 14th group in the periodic table, these group elements is also called 4th A group elements. 4th A group elements. Okay, ఇక మనం 14th group ని ఏం చెప్తామంటే ఇక్కడ 4th A group elements గా మనం చెప్పడం జరుగుతుంది. So which elements? 4th A group elements. Mainly first element carbon, It is indicated with C. Carbon. Next silicon. Si. Silicon. Germanium. Ge. Germanium. Ge. Sn. Tin. Sn. Tin. And Pb. Lead. Pb. Lead. These 5 elements belongs to 4th A group or 14th group elements. Okay, which elements? Number 1 carbon, 2 silicon, 3 germanium, 4 tin, 5th one lead. Okay, so in this group very highly available elements carbon and silicon. Okay, very highly available element carbon and silicon. So carbon is a very important and useful element and first element. That's why we have called carbon family. Carbon family. So 4th A group elements is also called carbon family because it's like carbon is very important and useful element. Okay, very important and useful element. That's why this 4th A group elements is also called carbon family. Listen, carbon is very important element. Already we know that. Okay, carbon is abundant number of components available from number of components. Suppose carbon is available from diamond. Diamond contain which element? Carbon. Next graphite. Graphite is also contain carbon element. Next Buckminster fullerene. Buckminster fullerene. So simply we have called fullerene. It is also denoted with C60. C60. 60. Okay. So diamond, graphite, Buckminster fullerene. So it is also called C60. Next gas carbon. It is also one carbon compound. Next coal. So different coals is available. Suppose for example charcoal, animal coal. Okay, so suppose animal coal. Next charcoal. Okay, so these are all components. Coke also, coke. These are all components contain carbon element. And some oxides also, carbon oxides. So what are the carbon oxides? CO2 means carbon dioxide. Next CO means carbon monoxide. These two oxides, which oxide? Carbon oxides. CO2 carbon dioxide, CO carbon monoxide. So carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, these two components contain carbon element. And some components also contain carbon element. Carbon is available and number of components. Suppose carbonates carbonates. Suppose CaCO3, for example, carbonates, for example, CaCO3. CaCO3 means calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. Next, MgCO3. MgCO3, magnesium carbonate. So number of components have there: zinc carbonate, calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate. Okay, so next, bicarbonates. Bicarbonates, suppose for example H2CO3 also contain, H2CO3 also contain, so carbon, H2CO3, carbonic acid, acids also contain some components, acids also contain carbon. Okay, bicarbonates. Bicarbonates, suppose for example NaHCO3, NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate. So what is the formula? NaHCO3. Okay, NaHCO3. So overall, sodium bicarbonate is also called baking soda. It is used for cooking purpose. Okay, మనకు ఆల్రెడీ తెలుసు ఇక్కడ ఏంటి సోడియం బైకార్బోనేట్, దీన్ని మనం ఏం చెప్తామండి, బేకింగ్ సోడా. ఓకే, సపోజ్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ Na2CO3. Na2CO3, it is carbonate, sodium carbonate. It is washing soda. Okay, it is used for this like a laundry purpose, washing purpose, washing the cloth. Okay, మనం ఏంటిది washing purpose sodium carbonate మనం యూజ్ చేస్తాం. Okay, sodium bicarbonate. Next, suppose MgHCO3 taken twice. MgHCO3 taken twice. Magnesium bicarbonate. Magnesium bicarbonate. So it is also carbonate. These two components contain which element? Carbon. Okay, our number of components, suppose calcium bicarbonate, CaHCO3 taken twice. Okay, CaHCO3 taken twice. Calcium bicarbonate. Okay, suppose which compound contains CO3? That carbonate. Which compound contains HCO3? That is bicarbonate. చూడండి ఇక్కడ కామన్ గా CO3, 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 calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, sodium carbonate, and HCO3, bicarbonates, HCO3, 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 sodium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate, calcium bicarbonate. Okay, so overall carbonates, bicarbonates, they are all components contain carbon element. Okay, it is also available in the earth crust. Okay, మనకి భూమి లోపల కూడా మనకి లభిస్తుందండి. Okay, భూమి లోపల, suppose for example CO2 is available in the atmosphere. Okay, CO also available in the atmosphere, but some carbon is available in the earth crust also. Okay, very high. So overall 17th abundant element, very most abundant element is carbon. So it is available in the earth crust. మనకి ఇప్పుడు భూమి లోపల లభించేటువంటి ఎక్కువగా లభించేటువంటి 17వ ఎలిమెంట్ గా ఇక్కడ మనం ట్రీట్ చేస్తామండి, 17. ఓకే, సో ఓవరాల్ it is available 17th most abundant or available element in the earth crust. Okay, listen. Carbon. This carbon compound, carbon element is available in number of components. Suppose it is available from diamond, graphite, Buckminster fullerene. Simply we have called fullerene. So how do we have identify, how do we have indicate C60? Next, gas carbon, coal, coke, charcoal, animal coal, they are all compounds, carbon compounds. Okay, next some oxides also, CO2, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. Okay, carbon monoxide. Next, some carbonates also, calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, sodium carbonate. Next, some bicarbonates also, sodium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate, calcium bicarbonate. Okay, next these elements is available from isotopes also. Carbon is available from isotopes. So C12, C13, C14, C12, C13, C14. Overall, carbon atomic number 6. Already know that. Just like it is atomic number, 6 is the atomic number, 12 is the atomic mass. 6 is the atomic number, 13 is the atomic mass. 6 is the atomic number, 14 is the atomic mass. Okay, these three components, carbon isotopes. What is the meaning of isotopes? Equal atomic number. Which compound contain equal atomic numbers but different atomic mass. చూడండి, అటామిక్ నెంబర్ ఏ విధంగా ఉంది, ఈక్వల్ ఉంది, బట్ అటామిక్ మాస్ ఈజ్ డిఫరెంట్. 12, 13, 14, but all isotopes contain equal atomic number, that is 6. Okay, so overall these components contain mainly C14 isotope is used for just like carbon dating. Means just like we have discovered the age of organic materials. చూడండి, మనకి ఆర్గానిక్ మెటీరియల్ సంబంధించినటువంటి ఏజ్ని మనం తెలుసుకోవడానికి ఇక్కడ ఉపయోగపడుతుందమ్మా. ఓకే, మనకి ఏంటిది, ఇప్పుడు శిలాజాల వయస్సు ఎంత ఉంది అంటే మనకి ఎన్ని సంవత్సరాల క్రితం ఏర్పడింది అనేటువంటి విషయాలను మనం తెలుసుకోవడానికి. ఓకే, మెయిన్లీ ఇట్ ఈస్ యూజ్డ్ ఫర్ age of organic components. Okay, so C14. These three isotopes contain carbon element. Okay, so it is the carbon